Hi everyone, Mamu here. I received some Nivel chips from Russ at ClickBang today. I have one breadboarded, and what I'd like to do is show you the features available with this chip. First I want to show modders how it comes to you. It's already pre-wired. You have the Atomizer positive wire, battery positive wire, the common ground for the battery and the atomizer, the LED positive and negative, and the atomizer switch. It's really nice, a nice small package and already pre-wired for you. So you can get up and going with this rather quickly. Okay, so what I've got now, it's in operating mode, which is what I refer to as vaping mode. You notice the LCD indicator display here showing the bars. That means I have a fully charged battery, so that is a battery status. I'll change to a partially charged battery and show you the difference. Now you see here I have a partially charged battery. That's a nice feature that lets you know how your battery voltage is doing. Fully charged. Okay, to get into the menu mode, it's 3 fast clicks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm in menu mode. And you notice the difference here is dash dash. The dash dash tells me I'm in menu mode. If I want to go in standby mode, the only way you can get into standby mode is if you're already in menu mode, press your ADDI switch for 4 seconds at least, and now you've got it turned off. There's no way to vape with it. Okay, so accessing the menu, 6 clicks, and if you have a Provari, you'll be familiar with this menu system. The number of clicks gets you into the different features. With the Nivel chip, 6 clicks gets you into regulated voltage vaping, setting those volts, and vaping, of course, with regulated volts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, I've got it set at 4.7. I already know that's the maximum voltage that I can vape at with this 1.5 ohm dual coil Atomizer. So as you can see, no error messages, and it's sizzling fine. Now if I set that higher, 1, 2, 3, get back into menu mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I take that up a tenth to 4.8 volts. And I should get an error message. So let's go back into vaping mode. 1, 2, 3. E2. E2 means that you've exceeded the voltage capable for that cardioid, for that resistance, and to back it off. So let's take it back down to 4.7. Going back into menu mode, 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. When you get an error message, you're immediately kicked into menu mode so that you can reset whatever it is that's causing the error. So I didn't need to do those 3 clicks. So I'm already in menu mode. So it'd be 6 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's back that down to 4.7. You have a range of 3 to 6 volts, and it increments in 0.1, 6, 7. Okay. Now I want to get back into vaping mode. I do 3 clicks. What I want you to notice is that when you do the 3 clicks, it will show you what your regulated voltage or mode is, whether it's vaping or wattage. And here you'll see the U and whatever voltage you have it set on. So watch this. 1, 2, 3. On. Vaping 4.7. Voltage 4.7. Okay, and now we're good to go with vaping. Alright, going back into the menu and the features available, 7 clicks allows me to vape with regulated watts. Going back into the menu with 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15. I have it set at 15 watts. I already know it will vape at 15 watts. And so let's go back into regulated wattage vaping at 15 watts and make sure that it does work without us giving an error. So let's go back into vaping mode. 1, 2, 3. And you see the power 15 watts. P for power and the wattage. So now I'm into regulated wattage vaping. Oh yeah. 15 watts. Cool. Okay, going back into menu mode. 1, 2, 3. 8 clicks is a timer mode, and what it does is it tells you the amount of time that you have spent pressing this ADDI switch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I do? Oh, okay, I wasn't fast enough, and what I did was I set my watts down to 3 watts, didn't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did. I don't vape at 3 watts. With the wattage, you'll see that it increments by 0.2 until you get to 10 watts. When you get to 10 watts, it will increment by 0.5 all the way to 15. So let's get to 10. 10. Now that little dot tells me I'm at 10 and a half, 11, 11 and a half, 12, 13, 13 and a half, 14, 14 and a half, 15. So we reset regulated vaping at 15 watts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Back in vaping mode, power is 15 watts. And we're up in vaping. Okay, so let's do 8 clicks now. So 1, 2, 3. Get into menu mode. 8 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my timer. 0 hours, 7 minutes. I've been working with this for hours, but actually what it's telling me is I've only pressed this ADDI switch for a total of 7 minutes. Okay, the next one is 9 clicks, and what this will do is give you the display brightness level, whether you want it brighter or less bright. It's 9 clicks. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, and I can set it from 5, 2, 3. You see the brightness? 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to leave it at 5. 10 clicks is, 10 clicks lets you turn the display and the LED on and off. One of them on, the other one off, and vice versa. You can have them both on, both off, one off, whatever you want to set. And this is nice for those of you who want to stealth vape. You can turn both the LCD and LED display off. And that's 10 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that double 8s there tells me that both the LCD and LED are displaying. I'm just going to leave that there, but you can turn one or the other off, or both of them off, both of them on. Alright, 11 clicks gives me our atomizer. Okay, the resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's see what we've got. 1.5 ohms. Okay, let's see how accurate this is. Measure it with the... my cardle's falling apart. It's well used. Okay. Alright. I hope you can see it. You should be able to see that. Alright. Let's meter that. 2, 1. I'll take it. .5, 1.4. So it metered at 0.1. I add that to 1.4 and I get 1.5. So from that, I'd say the Nivel chip is reading the Atomizer resistance accurately. Okay, we're at 12 clicks. What this is, oh, this is the number of puffs. You can set the Nivel chip to lock you out if you only want to take so many draws. And I think the time period is a half an hour. And the range is setting it from 5 to 40. Yeah, 5 to 40. And say for example you set it at 25. If you exceed 25 draws, puffs in a half an hour, you will get locked up. No, that's not for me. But it's good if somebody wants to limit their intake. Let's see, it's 12 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Off. And I'm going to leave that off. I don't want that feature on. 13 clicks is the firmware. 13. 1. Brand new. Okay, the next is your error messages. Let's see, E1 is a addy short, low resistance to the atomizer. It won't work on ohms less than 1.0, something like that, or it won't work if you have a short. We'll shut it down and you'll get the E1 message. E2 we already saw, where if the voltage level is set too high, you won't be able to vape until you correct that voltage. E3 is not able to maintain a fixed power, not able to maintain fixed wattage level, and so let's test that. I know with this 3 ohm cardo will not do 15 watts. This is working real similar to the DNA board in that for max wattage or max voltage, it depends on the resistance of that cardomizer. So let's see what we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Power level I have set at 15 watts. So let's go into operating mode and see what we're going to get. 1, 2, 3. Power 15 watts. E3, right. Okay, let's see what we can vape at with this 3 ohm cardo. So when you get an error message, it immediately kicks you into menu mode, so you don't need to do the 3 presses to switch between modes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Power. 15, let's back that off. And like I said, it will increment in 0.2 watts up to 10, and then when you get to 10 it increments in 0.5 watts. 10, 10 and a half, 11, 11 and a half. Let's push it, see if we can get 12 watts. Okay, now let's go back into vaping mode. 1, 2, 3. Power at 12 watts. Oh! It's doing 12 watts. Cool. Let's see if we can go higher. Alright, let's go into menu mode. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try 12 and a half. Okay, let's go back into vaping mode. 1, 2, 3. Power at 12 and a half. A3. There we go. So the max wattage vaping with a 3 ohm cardo is 12 watts, and that's nice. That's okay. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 4.7. Let's see what we can do with volts. Let's take it to the max. 6 volts for a 3 ohm cardo. Let's go back into vaping mode. 1, 2, 3. Yep. So the 3 ohm cardo max wattage is 12 watts if you want regulated wattage vaping, or 6 volts. Cool. If you wanted regulated voltage vaping. I think that it's it. I'm going to do some measurements, and I will post my results. Thank you. Bye.